Hey guys, today we'll be making this delicious keto friendly meal. This meal is made with cabbage, um, avocado mayo, onion, tomatoes, pepper jack cheese, and a little cheddar cheese on top. Guys, it's a very delicious salad, and I hope you guys will stick around and watch as I put this delicious meal together for you. Please, if you're on a weight loss diet, this meal will be helpful to you, so stick around. Here I'm steaming the cabbage with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So guys, here we are with our ingredients for our cabbage salad. Okay, so here I'll be using this avocado mayo. Then you can see I have some chopped tomatoes right here. Is about quarter cup of chopped tomatoes. I took out this the juice part and only left like the skin part, so that's the part that I chopped up, and that's about quarter cup. Here I have some onions, and it's about quarter cup also. I chopped up, and here I have some pepper jack cheese, and this is about quarter cup also. I am going to put these ingredients right here in my cabbage salad that I'm going to be putting together for you guys. So here goes. Trying to hold the camera and do this. So this is how it's looking so far. Now I'm going to put some mayo in it, and I am going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of mayo. Let's see. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of avocado mayo, and I'm going to add another tablespoon. So here I'm adding another tablespoon of the avocado mayo, and I'm just going to mix it well. Wow, it's looking delicious already, guys. I can't wait to taste it. So guys, you don't have to use pepper jack cheese. You can use a different cheese if you like, but this is how I'm doing it. And this is a keto recipe. You can use it for keto. In this avocado mayo, there's 0 gram of carbs. 0 gram of carbs, right? So you can use it and get a delicious keto salad. So yes guys, this is a very delicious recipe for you to try. So please try it and let me know if you like it, and if you want me to do other keto recipe. And by the way, in this recipe, this is a very low carb recipe. As you can see, the cabbage is just like about 2 to 1.5 cups of steamed cabbage. I steam it already, I show you that part. And then the onions and the tomato and the tomato and the pepper jack cheese. But as I said before, you don't have to use pepper jack cheese. So I'm going to put some cheese on the top and let you see the finished product. So guys, here we have the finished product of my cabbage salad, keto friendly salad. In the cheese we had like 0 gram of carbs. So guys, please try this recipe, and if you enjoy it, please give me a like. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be coming out with more keto recipes. So if you're a person that is on a diet trying to lose weight and don't know what to eat, please continue watching my channel. I will be having more keto recipe for you guys to really use in your diet to lose weight. Thank you for watching, and bye.